going to tell you one trick to find out a number if it is prime or not. Say there is a huge number, for example 191, right? Now if you have to find out if this number is prime or not, it is so difficult, right? You have to check for every number starting from 2 till 199, 191 to keep on checking if that number is divisible by this or not, right? So that is not the way to do it. Pura exam khatam ho jayega and you would be just solving this one. So to do it very quickly, we have a trick. So let's understand this line, listen this very carefully. We have to find out a number whose square is just greater than this number. Okay, now let me solve this so that you understand what I'm trying to tell you. What is the square root? What is the square of 12? What is the square of 12? 144, right? Square of 13, 169. For this you need to be, these square things need to be very handy for this, right? So, those come by practice and there are some tricks I'll explain in another video. Square of 14, 196, right? So now 191. We are trying to search for a number whose square is just greater than this number. So that number is 14. You get my point? 13? No, because 13 ka square is 169, which is still smaller than a given number. 14 ka square is 196, meaning that this 14 number we were looking for. Now, it is easy to find out the prime numbers till 14, right? Anytime it is easier to find out the prime numbers till 14 than 191, right? So, let's find out all the prime numbers till 14, right? The other prime number, right? 2 is the prime number. Then 3, yes. 4, no. 5. Then 7, then 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 9, 11, right? And 13. So these are the prime numbers till 14, right? Now you just have to check for these numbers if your 191 is divisible by these numbers or no. If your 191 is not divisible by any of these numbers, which will mean that 191 is also a prime number. If it is divisible by at least one of these numbers, then it is non-prime, means it is composite number. Clear? So if you check it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3. Now again, to check if it is divisible, how quickly you can check it. So there are some divisibility rules. Again, we'll see in the other lecture. We'll not mix up those lectures here. So it is not divisible by 5, not divisible by 7 also, not divisible by 11 also, and not by 13 also. So 191 is not divisible by any of these, meaning that 191 is a prime number. Okay. Now there are some small facts which I would like to throw light upon. First is 1 is non-prime, non-composite number, right? Second fact is between 1 to 100. How many prime numbers are there? So there are 25 prime numbers. Now your homework is going to be list down all those 25 prime numbers and share those with me. Last important, the fact is, like it is again the obvious fact is 2 is the only prime number which is even number, right? 2 is the only prime number which is even number. All other even numbers are non-prime. So if in exam they ask you for 196 if it is prime or not, straight away say no, you don't have to apply this method at all. So you just firstly you have to check if it is odd or even. If it is odd, then only go for this method, otherwise straight away it is non-prime because it is divisible by 2, right? In the first place, every even number is divisible by 2. So except 2, because 2 is 2. Okay, anyways, I hope you understood my feelings.